Basic English Course Day 4 Test. Make sentences in present continuous tense. I will give you a set of pictures with actions. You should assume that all these actions are happening right now. I have given the subject that you want to use in those sentences. What you want to do is make sentences using those pictures in present continuous tense. I have given as negative in some pictures. In those places, you should make negative sentences. Okay? Let's see the first picture. I am eating. I am eating. You can contract I and am and use as I'm eating. I'm eating. I have mentioned here as negative. So you should make a negative sentence. I am not eating. I am not eating. Here also you can contract I and am and make the sentence as I'm not eating. I'm not eating. She is walking. She is walking. You can contract she is into she is. She is. She is walking. She is walking. This should be a negative sentence. She is not walking. She is not walking. You can say it as she isn't walking. She isn't walking. Or else you can say as she is not walking. She is not walking. You are washing. You are washing. You can contract you and are to make you're washing. You're washing. So, how will be the negative sentence? You are not washing. You are not washing. You can contract are and not into aren't. You aren't washing. You aren't washing. Otherwise, you can contract you are into you're. You're not washing. You're not washing. He is drinking. He is drinking. You can contract he is into his. He is drinking. He is drinking. How will be the negative sentence? He is not drinking. He is not drinking. Or else you can say, he's not drinking. He is not drinking. Otherwise, it can be shrinked as he isn't drinking. Okay, you can contract is and not into isn't. He isn't drinking. They are cleaning. They are cleaning. You can contract they are into their. They're cleaning. They're cleaning. The negative sentence. They are not cleaning. They are not cleaning. Or else we can contract they are into their. They're not cleaning. They're not cleaning. Otherwise, you can contract are not into aren't. They aren't cleaning. They aren't cleaning. We are learning. We are learning. You can contract we are into we're. We're. We're learning. We're learning. The negative sentence. We are not learning. We are not learning. You can contract we are into we're. We're not learning, or else we aren't learning. We aren't learning.